All right, so for part two of going through the three dots of the settings for the media storage for Canva, um, I wanted to go over how you can edit in Canva going through your media storage. So, my biggest suggestion to you is to actually start off in your drop down here in Canva. Okay. If you have something that is in your Canva that you actually want to make changes or edits to, do it from this starting point here first. Okay. I suggest you do it from here first because once you try to upload it to your My Media file folder, um, it won't let you edit it at that point because at that point you would have you would have changed it to either a PNG, PDF, a MP4, um, I think the other was a JPG. But any of the options that you use to upload it to your media, your My Media folder, it's not going to let you edit it from that state. Um, you probably could though, but it's a little bit more difficult. So what I would suggest to make this so much more easier is just edit it from this form because this page doesn't change. Okay. You can edit from here all day and then upload the version that you want to edit into your that you want edited, that has been edited, excuse me, to your My Media folder inside of your 360 account. All right. So for example, let me show you one that I have here. So um, any version that you change, it will show on this end. So what I want to do is I just want to make an edit on the Canva side, the Canva drop down here, and I want to click on the three dots and I want to click on edit in Canva. Okay. Here is where I can make my changes. If I want to make changes to that, let's see. All right. So I'll make changes to that here. All right, so that should have saved. You'll see that here as well too, that it saved. All right, so now what I want to do is since that's saved here, I want to go back to 360. All right, we got that updated. And now what I want to do is import to media library. It looks as though it didn't change. But of course, if you really think about how everything is connected in the back end, it will be a little bit more difficult to see the changes made it on this end. Even if you refresh the screen, it's going to take the image from the point when you connected your account. Okay. So um, I'm going to click on import to media library. I'm going to make this a PNG. I'm going to import to the library here. All right, waiting for that to copy over. I'm going to hit refresh just for time's sake here. Get this populated back up. And then once this populates, then we'll go back to the My Media folder, which it defaults as. And then we're going to click on this item here. Okay. So let me actually go back here. Let me do another refresh. All right. Oops. Back to preview. Let's do a refresh one more time. All right. Wait for that to load. All right. Go back to Canva. Where should I have go? All right. So that took a little minute, but we got here. Um, so once you've made the change that you need to, you'll just refresh, come back here, and then you will see the updated version of the changes that you made.